So for today in GK we have some topics, starting with the topic hashtag Q&A Express. We all know what Q&A Express is. You have been given some questions. अभी तक हमने जितने टॉपिक्स पढ़े हैं उनके बेसिस पे ये एक तरह का टेस्ट पेपर है. You have been given some questions and you have to write down the answers. Okay, let's begin. Number 1. What is the new name of the city of Peking? इन द फर्स्ट टॉपिक ओल्ड वर्सेस न्यू हमने देखा था कि बहुत सारी जगहों के नाम चेंज हो चुके हैं. सो व्हाट इज़ द न्यू नेम ऑफ पेकिंग? इट वाज बेजिंग. व्हाट विल बी द स्पेलिंग? BEIJING. बेजिंग. व्हाट इज़ द न्यू नेम ऑफ द सिटी फॉर द सिटी ऑफ पेकिंग? Beijing. Number 2. Name the 29th state of India formed out of Andhra Pradesh. Now what is the name of the 29th state of India which was formed out of Andhra Pradesh? It is known as Telangana. 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 Name the 29th state of India formed out of Andhra Pradesh. Telangana. Number 3. Name the English poet who wrote the famous epic poem Paradise Lost. Now there is an English poet who wrote the famous epic poem Paradise Lost. What is the name of the poet? The name of the poet is John Milton. JOHN. John MILTON. Milton. John Milton. Name the English poet who wrote the famous epic poem Paradise Lost. John Milton. Number 4. A Brief History of Time is a bestseller written by which famous physicist? We spent a whole lecture learning about this personality. He was a great person. This person is none other than Stephen Hawking. The spelling will be STEPHEN. Stephen HAWKING. Hawking. Stephen Hawking. We learned so much about him, his birth, his disability, what things he had to go through, and still one thing he did not leave was his dedication towards physics, right? अपने वर्क की तरफ उनका जो डेडिकेशन था वो कभी नहीं छूटा, regardless of the disability he had. A Brief History of Time is a bestseller written by which famous physicist? Stephen Hawking. Number 5. Which 4-letter word is another synonym for word big? Now big word is given, what another word can be used as a synonym for big, and it should be of 4 letters. So here we can use the word huge. 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 Huge का मतलब भी बहुत बड़ा and big का मतलब भी बहुत बड़ा, and huge is also a 4-letter word, so we can use huge as a synonym for big. Which 4-letter word is another synonym for the word big? Huge. Number 6. Which famous story of a whale begins with the lines, "Call me Ismail"? Now, this is a famous story of a whale which begins with the line, "Call me Ismail." What is the story? The name of the story is Moby Dick. MOBY. Moby. TICK. Dick. Which famous story of a whale begins with the lines, "Call me Ismail"? Moby Dick. Number 7. If at a restaurant your friend decides to foot the bill, what does it mean? to throw it in the dustbin, or to pay for it. Now suppose you are in a restaurant and your friend decided that he will foot the bill. So what will be the meaning of this foot the bill? इस foot the bill का मतलब क्या होगा कि उस बिल को फेंक देगा या उस बिल को पे करेगा? पे करेगा. So answer will be to pay for it. TO2 pay, FOR for NIT, it. So to foot the bill means to pay for it. This we learnt in the figurative speech. If at a restaurant your friend decides to foot the bill, what does it mean? To throw it in the dustbin, or to pay for it? To pay for it. Number 8. Who wrote the famous Greek epic Odyssey? Now the famous Greek epic Odyssey. Who is the writer of that Greek epic? Who wrote it? It was written by Homer. Spelling will be Homer. Homer. Who wrote the famous Greek epic Odyssey? Homer. Number 9. How is the city of Persia better known as today? In the sense, what is the new name of Persia? आज की डेट में पर्शिया को किस नाम से जाना जाता है? We learnt about this in old versus new, our very first topic. The new name of Persia is Iran. 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 How is the city of Persia better known as today? Iran. Last question. Which is the only English word that ends with the letter MT? Now there is an English word. In all the words in the English dictionary, in English language, there is only one word which ends with MT. Okay, MNT. Which can be that word? What is the word which ends with M and T? The word is dreamt. 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 Dreamt is the only word that ends with MT. और जो भी वर्ड्स अगर आपको दिखते हैं MT से एंड हुए तो उनके पीछे dreamt ही होगा. Day dreamt, undreamt, etc. So, which is the only English word that ends with the letter MT? Dreamt. Now, our next topic, topic number 13, dry lands. Deserts are dry areas of land with little water and often sand covered. Although they are dry and barren, yet they are home to many living things. Fill in the blanks by choosing your answers from the box below. Now, dry lands. Deserts are dry areas of lands which have very little water and mostly are covered with sand. But even after being a dry and barren, yet they are a home to many living things. Now we have been given some fill in the blanks. We have to fill them up. Number 1. A blank is a desert plant that has thorns all over its body. We learned it. Which plant has thorns all over its body? It's a cactus. 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 Why does a cactus have thorns on its body? So that it could store more and more water in itself. If it had leaves, during the process of photosynthesis, it might lose much water. So it has thorns instead of leaves. A cactus is a desert plant that has thorns all over its body. Number 2, an area in the desert where water can be found and plants can be grown is known as blank. Now there is a certain area in a desert where water can be found and plants can also be grown. What is that place known as? The place is known as an oasis. OASIS. You might have seen oasis, लाइक छोटा सा पॉन्ड जैसा होता है और उसके आसपास बहुत सारे पेड़ उगे हुए होते हैं. इट कैन बी फाउंड इन डेजर्ट रीजन्स. An area in the desert where water can be found and plants can grow is known as oasis. Number 3. Blank are group of people who live in deserts of West Asia and North Africa. Like people living in India are known as Indians, people living in Britain are known as British, right? Same, the people who live in the deserts of West Asia and North Africa are also given a certain names. It is known as Bedouins. They are known as Bedouins. Spelling Bedouins. Bedouins. Bedouins are group of people who live in deserts of West Asia and North Africa. Number 4. The blank is called the ship of the desert. Now this you have learned since like you were a kid. Okay, everyone knows that who is the ship of the desert? Camel. CAMEL. The camel is called the ship of the desert. Why is camel known as the ship of the desert? Because in desert normal vehicles having wheels cannot travel because वो उसकी रेती में धंस जाएंगे और आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे. So in the desert region people mostly use camel for traveling from here to there. So SHIP ship is also used to travel in the water bodies, right? Same way camel is used to travel from one place to another in the desert regions, and thus camel is known as the ship of the desert. Number 5. A small poisonous animal commonly found in the desert is blank. Now a very small creature is there which resides in the desert regions, but it is poisonous. Though being small, it is very poisonous for us and it is commonly found in deserts. Which is the animal? It is scorpion. 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 A small poisonous animal commonly found in the desert is scorpion. You all know what scorpions are. Scorpions यानी बिच्छू जो डंक मार सकते हैं, और हमें डेजर्ट एरिया में इस तरह के स्कॉर्पियंस देखने मिल सकते हैं जो कि बहुत ही पॉइजनस हो. Number 6. The blank plant has a waxy surface and is used to prepare medicines and cosmetic. Now this is a plant, it has a wax kind of surface and it is also used to prepare medicines as well as cosmetic. यानी वो हमारी बॉडी के लिए तो हेल्थ के लिए तो अच्छा है ही जिसकी वजह से मेडिसिन बनती है, बट हमारी स्किन के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है जिससे कि उससे कॉस्मेटिक्स बनाए जाते हैं. I will give you one more hint. This plant can be used as a medicine, as a cosmetic. You can take out an oil, then you can make it, use it as a food item also. It is a multi-purpose plant which can be used in every aspect. The plant is aloe, aloe as in aloe vera plant. Aloe vera plant is very beneficial. It's good for the skin, good for the hair, good for our body. Most people do not cook it, but it can be cooked and is edible. The aloe plant has a waxy surface and is used to prepare medicines and cosmetics. Number 7. The most common fruit bearing tree found in deserts is the blank. Now which is the tree commonly found in desert region? If you have seen an oasis, you will know which tree is commonly found in desert regions. It is date palm, D-A-T-E, date, P-A-L-M, palm, date palm. Dates means खजूर, खजूर के पेड़ वहाँ पे बहुत देखे जाते हैं. The most common fruit bearing tree found in deserts is the date palm. Number 8. The blank cactus found in desert swells with water when it rains. Now whenever it rains, there is a certain type of cactus, it will swell. Whenever it rains, जब भी बारिश होगी तो बारिश में भीगने के कारण वो क्या हो जाएगा, पूरा swell हो जाएगा, यानी कि सूज जाएगा, फूल जाएगा. This cactus is known as barrel, B-A-R-R-E-L, barrel cactus. The barrel cactus found in deserts swells with water when it rains. Let us read it again. A cactus cactus is a desert plant that has thorns all over its body. Number 2. An area in the desert where water can be found and plants can grow is known as OASIS, oasis. Number 3. Bedouins, Bedouins are a group of people who live in deserts of West Asia and North Africa. Number 4. The camel, camel is called the ship of the desert. Number 5. A small poisonous animal commonly found in the desert is scorpion, scorpion. Number 6. The aloe plant has a waxy surface and is used to prepare medicines and cosmetics. Number 7. The most common fruit bearing tree found in deserts is the DATE, date, PALM, palm, date palm. Lastly, number 8. The BARREL, barrel cactus found in deserts swells with water when it rains. These were the fill-ups. Now nextly we have a fact bite. Chile, Namibia and Saudi Arabia are all countries which have lent their names to deserts as well. Now these are some places which have lent their names to the deserts as well. So children, this was all for today. Your today's homework will be to complete these 2 topics in your GK textbook. Till then, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.